Hello friends, I am Yogesh Kumar Sharma. Today we will see what is embedded system. Embedded system is a combination of hardware and software, and that perform some specific tasks. So in many time people will ask what is embedded system. So electronic device that is working, that is doing the some dedicated operation is called embedded system. It include hardware and software. I'm sure you had seen this some of the embedded devices. Now embedded is so much penetrated in our day-to-day life, like we not able to even imagine and visualize it. Let's see like some of the common devices which we are daily using, but we don't know that embedded system is behind it. So like I'm sure you had seen this smartwatch, I'm sure you had seen this keyboard, smoke detector, glucometer. I'm sure you had seen these devices somewhere. Here is few other devices which also you people are, I'm sure you people are using it. Like see, here is a remote control, then we are having a game controller, then a headphone, then a remote car, thermometer. So I'm sure this all devices you had some or other time you had seen and utilized it. Say in this last one picture is there, this is the GPS control system. Nowadays like cars and bus are having a GPS devices that need to monitor and control. So apart from that, like we are having some other devices of embedded system that also I'm sure you had seen. Like say this is token system, microwave oven, security door system, this automatic dispensing machine, then like multimeter. This is the line follower robot which is used in the industry to transfer the material from one place to other place. So I'm very much sure you people had seen this some of the embedded devices in your day-to-day life, and I will tell you some more advanced products so that you will understand like where all embedded system is used. So some of the embedded advanced embedded product is this, the printing machines. So you may be knowing the I'm sure you had seen the printing machine. Printing start right from very small, like say your bus ticket printing to the your Domino's printing, or maybe your shopping mall printing. Then it go little ahead, then it printing on a cloth, then like it, if you go little ahead, then your book printing, then poster printing, then printing on a metal, printing on a plastic. Then if you go ahead little bit, and like your newspaper printing and the big poster and banner printing, it's amazing, it's like keep printing. You see, the printing itself is a very big field. Only printing, knowledge of only printing itself is very big. Nowadays people are talking like 3D printer, now it's enter in industry very deeply. Like earlier when mechanical people are designing any hardware, so what they have to do is they have to design the hardware in the computer, and then they have to visualize it like how this hardware is looks like. And before making that product, they need to go for the if they going for the manufacturing, they have to create the mold. Creating mold of any small product itself is costing huge money. So now what they do, before creating the mold, they create one small 3D print of that mold, and then that 3D print that 3D mold they are using for the then they visualize if any changes need to do, they do it, and then they go for the making mold. So that it's saving their lot of money and the time also. Then like say this is the some of the other advanced product, like say video door phone. Point of selling video door phone is nowadays like in the home. If someone coming, some guest coming, if they press the button, then their picture and audio we can see inside, and if we require, then only we'll open it. Same way you had seen point of sale. So I'm sure you use debit card, a credit card. I'm sure you had used some other place. So they are the point of sales. Then mobile TV. So I know you are aware of this thing. Then set-up box, DVR. Set-up box is like your Tata Sky, Airtel, this Jio TV. All these are using the set-up box. And then this is the DVR digital video recorder. In our home we are having the CCTV cameras. So that CCTV camera that it record it and save it. So I'm sure you had used that thing, or at least you had seen. This is the gigabyte router, Ethernet routers. So if you go in your college, office, and I'm sure you will see the routers. Without routers you can't transfer the data. This is the robot. So I'm sure you had seen the robot earlier, and if you don't know, here is one robot for you. This is the Asimo. Asimo is like a humanoid robot, and it's very famous. It's created by Honda. You see the one of the performance of Asimo. So this is the humanoid robot which is like able to perform the function. It's full of embedded system. This is another robot. It's a Digit. Its name is Digit. He also walk like a human. So you can also explore about it. This also full of embedded system. So you should be aware of like how this is how this use the embedded system. I'm sure you people know about Sophia. Sophia is like first robot which is grant the citizenship of UAE. She is a citizen of UAE now, and she is a humanoid robot and able to talk.
This is Sophia. Sophia, if you could, please wake up and say hello to everybody.
Oh, good afternoon. My name is Sophia.
So she is Sophia, and I'm sure you explore one time, you will understand like how embedded is deeply penetrating in your life. Now this is like nowadays every car is having come up with the diagnostic feature. So it is having like car diagnostic feature. This is the tool which we can, if car is having some problem, we can decode it. Nowadays cars are come with many electronic devices, and here is one of the embedded devices which like you can see it here.
Thank you, medic. Slowly.
So this is the ECU, you can say like engine control unit or electronic control unit. This device is now controlling the car. Earlier all this thing was happening mechanically, but now all this thing is happening by the electronic devices controlling the car. Normal car currently is having around 40 to 50 ECUs on an average, even more than that. So I'm sure when you fly on a flight, so you had used the car flight infotainment system where like you can watch movie, listen movie and other thing. So that kind of devices you had used it. This is the display board. Earlier like how display board was, it's just some printout and it is stay there, but nowadays not like that. It's like full of the electronic board which will be mounted and which will be displaying. So till now whatever I told, it is all about the product. So the product is like a very small portion of embedded system. Now I'll tell you little bigger thing which you will think and amaze. Like now I'm talking about the embedded field where all embedded system is used. Like say telecom is full of embedded system. Like say if you are see one tower, in one tower at least 1 lakh customer are connected with 1 lakh, or even more than that customer are connected with one tower. Everybody is calling, picking phone, talking. All those signal is going to that tower, that is called BTS, base transmission station. So where the signal is coming, then BTS is transferring to the master switching center, and then master switching center talking to another master switching center, then that another master switching center talking to BTS, and like that your call is transferred from one country to other country, one state to other state. And this all everything is handled by embedded system. Not only this telecom devices, in order to give power to these devices we need another embedded system. That AC controlling and the room controlling, that itself is controlled by another system, that is also embedded system. And that whatever data is coming, that data need to monitor and record and transfer, that also another embedded system. So you can see like only in the telecom itself so many field is possible. Then the next field is medical domain like full of embedded system, like your right from your thermometer, oximeter, glucometer, then your BP measuring machine, then you go a little ahead like your x-rays, then TMT, then your blood measurement system, or anything. If you see, this all comes with the embedded system. Then automotive, as I already told you, in automotive system we are having around every car is nowadays having 40-50 ECUs. So you can understand like how big this market is. Security system like CCTV and other many security systems are coming. Then military application like say radar system, then the missile system, this all are full of embedded system. 100% embedded system is used there. Then we are having space technology like where means satellite communication and other thing, that is also full of embedded system. Then it goes to avionics. This all I am talking about field. In each and every field thousands and lakhs of products are there. Many company, thousands of company in every field across the globe. This is amazing field like industrial automation, then home automation, IoT, Internet of Things, and consumer electronics. All the consumer electronics, this is like more deeply touched to us. Apart from that, like industrial automation and other thing, like it may not be directly coming to us, but they all are very very big field. So many products are there. Like industrial automation, even if you have to make a needle to thread to cloth to laptop to anything, if you want to create, you need to do the automation. Human cannot do all those things, because in 1 second we have to create hundreds of devices. Human cannot do those kind of things. It need to done by the machines. And those, when many machines are coming, then those machine also need to work in a synchronization. This all done by the automation kind of thing. Then we are having computer accessories, power domain. It's a very big field. In power domain, if I tell you like right from where the power is generating and right from till the power is distributing, this all every place we need to do measurement and monitor and the analysis and the control, everything. This is many embedded product and devices are required to do all those things. So I hope you understand like how big the market of embedded system is, how many fields are there. I not mention here all field, there are many field. I can mention around 20 to 30 field where like embedded system is used. So embedded system is a pretty big area and it's a enormous opportunity is there. So I'm sure you find it interesting. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our more videos. I'm sure you will be getting the lot of information here. We are having a full course of embedded system is available here, and you will be able to do all that course hands-on, and you will be learning lot of things from here. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.